Hi, welcome to Like Mother, Like Daughter. I'm Twila, and I got a question for you today. Do you boo-boo? Hi, I got my Bulu Box for the month of December. For some reason, I got 2 Bulu Boxes for December, and I only got charged once, so I'm excited about that. You know how I feel about my Bulu Boxes? I love them. I pay $5 a month for my Bulu Box. I have a coupon code that you can use. I will put that down below. If you're interested in the Bulu Box, you can get yours for $5.99 a month. Bulu Box is a $10 a month subscription. It is a healthy lifestyle kind of box. They have one box that's the original box, which is what I get, and then they have another box, which is the weight loss box, and obviously it's going to have supplements and things in there to help you with your weight loss journey, whereas the original Bulu Box is going to have things in there that's just going to help you in general with maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So these are the 2 boxes that I got. There they are. So we'll go with the one that I got in the mail first, and that is this one. And it has a shot, a protein shot. Cool. This is great. This is 24 grams of protein and extra energy. It is coffee flavored. It is 3 fluid ounces. It says, what do? Do you just drink it out of this? Do you pour it in your coffee? What do you do with it? Let's see. Shake well. Once opened, refrigerate. Do not consume more than 2 bottles a day. So I guess this is just open it and drink it. It's a shot and it's coffee flavored. So 24 grams of protein. That's great. Okay. The next thing we got in this box is some tea. I like tea. This is 3, looks like there's 3 packets of Davidson's organic and caffeine free, and this is the herbal Christmas tea flavor. So that's going to be really nice. There's also enter code BB2017 on davidsons.com during checkout and you get 25% off. The next thing I have is USDA Organic Farah Superior Moringa for optimum health. This is organic moringa powder. It says it's a plant protein and a boost of calm energy that has phytonutrients, amino acids, and antioxidants in it. It's a natural multivitamin. Adults take 1 to 2 teaspoons 1 or more times a day. It's easy like Sunday morning. And the next thing in here comes with this $2 coupon. This feels like 2 cough drop sizes. And it says soothing drops for upset stomach, B6, ginger, lemon, and spearmint. And mint is good for an upset stomach, so that's nice that they have these little lozenges to suck on for an upset stomach. Then we have some SOS hydration. This is just supposed to be a coconut drink mix that you add to your water for extra hydration. I got one of these before and I didn't care for it. The next 2 things in here are not for me. These are saline nasal solution for an infant. You twist open the top and you spray this up the baby's nose and it's a nasal solution. Himalayan salt. I'll hang on to these for somebody that I know has an infant. The last thing in here is a maple multigrain muffin instant oatmeal. I can have that tomorrow. I like oatmeal. I've got a bunch of cards in here for stuff that I didn't get in my box. But this tells you how to use the Farah moringa in a smoothie. So that's a pretty cool box. So like I said, for some reason I got 2 boxes for December and I'm okay with that. Was $5 for me and that's worth it. Okay, and this is the second box. Let's see here. We got, okay, so I see right on top we've got some Zicam in here. These are medicated fruit drops and this is Zicam Cold Remedy, shortens your colds. These are like those chewables, the gummy chews, and there is a coupon, $3 on any full-size product. Then there is 1 of these in here. This is the, you snap it open and then it's a nasal swab. So there is 1 of them in here. And then this one has 5 tablets that are rapid melt, so they dissolve in your mouth. And this is Zicam Cold Remedy, orange flavored. So they are preparing us for the cold and flu season. The next thing I got in here is, it's never too late to turn over a new leaf. What is this? Still, and it says gunpowder green tea, yerba mate, peppermint, and lemongrass. Oh, this is a tea bag. So this is a tea bag and it already has the loose leaf tea in it. It's never too late to turn over a new leaf. Get 25% off your first order. Still new leaf. There's the coupon code, and it is thestillco.com. This is a new leaf tea detox and replenish. Can't wait to use that. Then the next thing we have in here, card about HelloFresh. Then I have some product information cards about Zicam, the different Zicams that are in here. This is chocolate chip oat bran cookies from Dukan. This is the Dukan diet. So it talks about all of that. And this talks about 1 packet of these cookies is 140 calories, which is 3 cookies. So 3 cookies is 140 calories. Chocolate chip oat bran cookies, I will try those. Non-GMO wheat flour. And then the last 2 things in here, which I'm really excited about. This is VitaBath Fragrance Mist. Revitalizing vitamin A, B3, C, E, and provitamin B5. Antioxidants, paraben free. It is a fragrance mist. It is a perfume from VitaBath. And has anybody tried the VitaBath body washes and the bath gels and the bubble baths? This is available in 16 fabulous scents. So which one is this one? So this one is grapefruit vanilla. Oh, I smell the vanilla. Oh, that smells nice. Wow, I really like that. I would love that in a bubble bath. That's really nice. I can't wait to try that. And then I'm really excited about this. We have a skincare product in here. This is Osmosis Pure Medical Skincare, and this is the Stem Factor Serum. It is a growth serum. It says it reverses aging by stimulating new cells and rebuilding collagen and elastin. Really excited to see that in here. So I think I like this box better than the other box because I had 3 samples of the Zicam, which is great. The cookies, the skincare, and the new VitaBath perfume, which is, to be honest, this is fabulous. Look at how much is in here, and it's a spray. Compared to those beauty boxes that send out the little bitty free samples, this is, how much is in here? 9.5 milliliters, which is 0.32 fluid ounces, but that is a substantial amount, and I like that. Much more prefer to see something like this as a perfume in here in any kind of a box rather than those free samples that they send out. So I got some really great boxes from my Bulu Box. You know, I'm rarely disappointed in my Bulu Box. I pay $5 for them, and I'm rarely disappointed in them. I think they have a good $5 value, and I will continue to buy them. If you get Bulu Box, please tell me down below which one do you get. Do you get the original? Do you get the weight loss one? And what are your thoughts about the boxes that I got for December? Thank you so much for stopping by. Everyone, be safe. Have a very Merry Christmas. Mwah. Bye.